everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's Tuesday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays only on Harriet. And today we got a 49-minute movie, barely lasting an hour. It's one of those short Viva Max movies na nirelease during Tuesdays. This is the third one. After Room Service, and I think Dilig yung pangalawa. So this is the third one, Takas. Not to be confused with Katas, which I reviewed last Friday. And then this Friday, this week, we'll be reviewing Salitan starring Angelica Hart. And Angelica Hart is the winner of Angelica Hart is the winner of Fantasia, Laia, and Takas stars two bright stars, Ces Garcia and Audrey Avila. What I meant is bright stars from The Batch. As you all know, si Audrey isa sa mga bet ko sa Fantasia, Laia. Kaya, yeah. And she was my main bet, okay? I was tired of Angelica winning. Pero yun. So this is like Audrey's first solo film. We last saw Audrey Avila sa High on Segs Season 2. And we also last saw Audrey on Halo Halo X. Kasama niya si Denise Esteban. But this is the first time we will see Audrey in a short movie. Not a full feature length, pero short movie. This is Takas. Naubusan natin ang title yung Viva Max. So, if you want, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Taboo Tuesdays, only on Harriet. So, Takas is a movie starring Audrey Avila and Ces Garcia. Audrey is playing the role as Angel and Ces Garcia is Lexi. Medyo may conflict sa pangalan nila kasi ang medyo conservative sa dalawa ay itong si Ces, which has the name Lexi, who we all know is a adult movie star. May kapangalan siya, adult movie star. And Audrey has the name Angel, pero siya yung medyo wild. So speaking of wild, nagsimula mag-best friends kasi itong dalawa na to, and they are going in for a wild drive, okay? So, it all happens on the fateful day that they are going to church. So, we see Lexi waiting for Angel to be we are seeing Lexi waiting for Angel. You know what? Let's state lang yung mga pangalan ng artista nila to avoid further confusion sa storya and some consistency. We see Ces Garcia's character waiting for Audrey Avila's character to arrive. Audrey Avila is late because they were having a quickie with her boyfriend Eric, played by Rome Ginto. I'm not sure if he is related to Rob Ginto, pero paki-comment na lang. So, nagkaroon sila ng quickie. Actually, it's not really sex. It's just dry humping. Kasi parang isang balahibong pusa yung scene ni Rica Peraleo sa ni Jay Manalo. Yun, that's how I describe that scene. It's more of a dry hump session. So, nakarating sila, and of course, furious for making her wait. Ces Garcia is mad, pero they continue to go to church. The church scene is off screen, and then they drive to a bar. So at the bar, Ces was drunk, Audrey was really drunk, and Eric is all coked up. He's like the snowman. And dahil may tendency na maging violente si Eric dahil nakadroga siya, he is trying to use BDSM on Audrey Avila. So, Audrey is obviously getting hurt. And to the rescue naman itong si Cez Garcia. And they inadvertently killed off Eric. And this is the Takas part of Takas. They escape from the crime they committed. So, not a year has passed while they're hiding. We get a glimpse. Parang nga hindi isang linggo kasi yung balita-balita sa radyo sa nanonood sa palengke itong si Cez na balita yung pinatay nilang anak ng kongresista. It's implied na kongresista, anak ng kongresista kasi sabi sa balita, anak ng kongresista. At yung kotse na ginamit, 8 yung plaka. Diba sa Pilipinas, pag 8 yung plaka, congressman. So, this time, Audrey has a new flame, si Lemuel. Isang nagtatrabaho sa palengke. And the problem is, ayaw mangyari ulit ni Cez. Yun nangyari kay Audrey at kay Eric. That's why she keeps warning Audrey about Lemuel. Kumbaga, hindi boto itong si Cez Garcia, yung best friend ni Audrey kay Lemuel. Even though Lemuel and Audrey already had something. So, we later find out in this film na kaya concern itong si Cez kay Audrey is because Cez is in love with Audrey Avila. And because of that, she tried to put Audrey away. And if that means taking Lemuel out of the equation, yun. So how did Cez plotted to take Lemuel out of the equation? They had a conversation. Lemuel went to the bathroom to take a pee. And then Cez Garcia immediately went and grabbed Lemuel's junk and they had sex. Okay? Nakita naman to ni Audrey and Audrey was furious. Days have passed. Audrey and Lemuel are like live-in partners. Cez tries to make it up with Audrey. And pumayag naman ito si Audrey on the count na kasama na si Lemuel. And from the three, they had they were planning to do a threesome, pero it cut off when the two girls purposely killed Lemuel on the spot. Let's later find out that Lemuel is a spy hired by the congressman na tatay ni Eric to spot or to report the whereabouts of Audrey and Cez Garcia. Audrey Avila and Cez Garcia. And taking all the money, Audrey and Cez escapes away to their new fate. And that is my recap and review of Takas. Pretty straightforward story. Ang naisip ko lang is medyo malayo sa expectations ko. Kasi Takas, di ba? So, and the promotional material dito, nasa kotse sila, di silang tatlo. Yeah. Ang naisip ko parang yung Hugas style na parang yung nagda-drive sila on the road. Alam mo yung pelikula ni Maui de Yersa ni Katya Santos? Yung Drive, yung Sex Drive, yun yung iniisip ko na premise ng Takas. It's not just them hiding away from the authorities. Takas kasi kada parang gumagalaw sila continuous. Takas is such a continuous word. There should be continuity in the story, pero dito parang nag-hide lang. Medyo mas angkop pa ang title na Tago kaysa Takas. Ayun. So, the mature scenes, okay naman. Ang gusto kong eksena is yung kay Audrey. At kay Cez, yung sa CR. Audrey dun sa palengke. Pero, they're not really like bright spots. I'm just saying they're kind of like mid. So, where do we put Takas in our tier list? So, Takas, I'm gonna have to say Takas is somewhat of a copium. Yeah? Copium tier. It's not really, it's short movie. Not really good for me. And pretty much straightforward. My expectations were not expected. Parang di na set. Okay? So yeah, that's my review, recap of Takas. So next Next, this Friday, we got Salitan. And yeah, I'm gonna update the tier list kasi may pelikula na nilabas yung Viva Max, diba? And hindi ko pa sila na-update. And that is all for today. Thank you everyone. Goodbye and good night. Bang!